Počinjemo. Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Radomir Tošković from Serbia. I was born in 1963. So what I can say about myself, for example, I'm 30 years in catering business, actually all my life. Very important is to mention that I've been at sea for a period of 8 years and 4 months, but a part of it 7 times on a cruise ship as a silver service waiter. So allow me to mention the companies I've been on. Firstly, the Cunard Line, UK company, then Seabourn Cruise Line, a company from Oslo, Norway. Afterwards, Cunard Line, Seabourn Cruise Line, Classic International Cruises, a company from Lisbon, Portugal. Afterwards, the Global Cruise Line, a company from Piraeus, Greece. And then the Quality Tours, a company from Copenhagen, Denmark. So that is all as far as the cruise lines are concerned. So what I can say in addition to my CV is that when I was younger I used to live in 5 countries all over the Europe. Countries like the UK, Portugal, France, Holland and Greece. So I'm very interested in a position of assistant restaurant manager, chef de rang, waiter, or let's say chief steward or steward. So briefly, the rest of it you can see reading through my CV. Briefly, that is all. Thanks very much in advance. Best regards and respect, Radomir Tošković. Thank you. That's it.